It's playtime! Let's sing Row Your Boat. We will need two groups of students or partners for this activity. If you see Cora, group 1 or partner 1, it's your time to sing. Once you start singing, do not stop.
Focus, explorers!
If you see Demetrius, group 2 or partner 2, it is your time to join in from the beginning of the song. Keep singing. Let's create a peaceful harmony with a round. I'll count you in group 1 or partner 1. 1, 2, 3, sing.
Row, row, row.
Go group 2.
Gently down the stream.
Partner 2.
Merrily, 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 life is but a journey. Merrily, life is but a through your boat. Gently down
Keep
the
going.
stream. Gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a journey.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, life is but a through your boat gently down the stream. Gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Life is but a dream.
You did it, explorers! See you next time!